design means different things to different people. For some people, design is essentially the look of it or the aesthetics and stuff like that. But to a lot of designers, such as myself, design is a goal-driven, creative, problem-solving process. So it has to be goal-driven. You typically, many designers work in an industrial context. So the goals are set in the context of business and from the needs of users. It has to be creative. You have to come up with a new solution. So you can't copy somebody else's solutions every time you come up with a new solution. And it has to be a problem-solving process. So you have to identify what are the problems that you want to solve with your design and then come up with a solution to that problem. So good design and bad design really depends on the context. Something that may be good in one particular context may not work in another context. For example, if there is a table lamp or a bed lamp which I need to switch on or off with a particular peculiar kind of a button, then that may be okay as a good design in a typical bedroom setup. But if I put that lamp in a hotel room, then that becomes difficult because each visitor has to learn how to switch it on and off. So what may be good design in one context may become bad design in another context. So in general, good design is a design which meets the needs of the user, solves his problems, looks good, is pleasurable to use. So those are many different definitions of good design. Human-computer interaction is referred to for the interaction between the person, the user who's going to use the piece of technology, typically software, and the product. So the design of that interaction and the design of the interface that governs that interaction is human-computer interaction. Usually it covers three aspects: the form, which is how the product looks; the content, which is what it communicates; and the behavior of the software. So those three things, the design of each of those three things constitutes the design of human-computer interaction.